Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today maglilinis ako ng sasakyan ko. I'm gonna dust inside, mag-hoover slash vacuum clean. So yeah, lilinisin ko din yung sa labas. And then mamaya may lulutuin akong pagkain na parang special. So look forward to that. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video and see you then. Oh yeah, ito yung namin, dryer. Kapag every winter dito namin nilalagay yung mga damit namin. Ngayon hindi namin nilalagay kasi mainit yung araw, laging sumisikat. So yeah. Hindi pong papag bis watering the plants there. Ay cover gamiton, vacuum cleaner na mo. Cover may tawag. So ang dagang taman nito. Nasa na tayo, a bit more to the front. Dako di ko kuan ning sakyanan na gahapon guys. Malaki yung gasto ko kahapon. Nagpa-change ako ng alternator kasi nag-pop up yung every time na nagdadrive ako, nagpa-pop up yung battery side sa dashboard. So tinignan ko sa Google, masama daw yun kasi hindi nagre-recharge yung battery sa sasakyan. So kung hindi ko pumunta sa mekaniko, habang nagdadrive ako, mag-shutdown tong sasakyan completely. So delikado yun. So dumiretso ko sa mekaniko kahapon, sinench nila yung alternator. Mga 220 pounds yung gasto ko kahapon. So malaki, pero safety first, diba?
You pick up your palette knife and then work that into your meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Okay guys, nilagay ko na to ng salt and pepper. So all I need to do now is to let it rest for 15 minutes in room temperature and cover it with cling film. Then after that, I will cook it straight away. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm just gonna slice some mushroom while waiting, and some garlic as well, and some onion, for the sauce. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a magic. Hi. Okay guys, I'm just gonna use some butter on the pan. Okay guys, here's the meat here. You can see it over there, yeah. And I'm gonna put it now. There we go. Second one. So I'm gonna cook this for 10 minutes, guys, both sides, because you know it's a quite a thick piece of meat. Okay, time to turn them around. I've been switching the fire from medium to low heat. Yeah, just from time to time. Yeah. There we go, guys. Yan na. Well done. I don't know about other people's preference of well done, but that is my well done. I'm sure that's cooked and looks, you know, the outside smells looking good. So yeah, I'm gonna make the sauce here with the, you know, remaining stuff from the steak. I'm not gonna wash this or do anything to it. I'm just gonna use the good stuff here for the sauce.
Start it now.
Okay, it's hot again. So I'm gonna put the white wine. Just to show you the white wine, this is the white wine that we're trying to use. You know, just a bit. You know, just to add complexity to the flavor. Paano ni? Pang inerte, guys. So, yeah, just a bit. I-deglaze lang ng pan. So, that's deglazed now. We're gonna put the onion and the garlic and try to caramelize them. Okay, let's I'm just gonna put them on the right spot, increase the temperature a bit. Okay guys, as you can see, nag-brown na yung onion and garlic, which means it's caramelized. So we're gonna put the mushroom now. And mushroom. And after this, we're gonna add yung single cream. Kung sa atin pa yun, all-purpose cream yun.
Right?
So I just turned on the lighter, guys. It's getting dark inside the kitchen. So yeah, just to tell you, I didn't put salt in this, you know, sauce, cause my salt na yung steak. So as you can see earlier, I didn't throw away the stuff that was in here earlier. I used it for the sauce. So yeah, it should be salty already. So that's the reason why I didn't put salt for this sauce. Double cream. This is the double cream that I'm gonna put in the sauce. So I'm gonna put the cream now. So yeah, I'm trying to make as much sauce as I can because there's 6 of us. So I'm sure this should be enough because we're just gonna put this on top of the steak.
Okay, pass me to me.
I'm gonna put some pepper. There we go. Should be peppery. So we're gonna put plenty of pepper. There we go. I think gulong.